Okay, we're down here in the southern location, and when we're not here, the southern location is an Airbnb. This is one of the rooms in the Airbnb. I like it, but it's really dated, and we're going to freshen it up this year. So we're going to take everything out and strip it down to the studs and pull up the carpet and bring it into the 2000s and get it out of the 1970s. We're at our southern location, and when we're not here, our southern location is an Airbnb. And for the most part, it's just gorgeous. My wife has decorated this place, and she did a really good job. But we've got the one room that it's interesting, and we didn't know what to do with it last year, so we said, well, we'll deal with it this year. Well, it's this year. There's a few quirks about this room I wanted to show you and kind of tell you why we're going to do the upgrade on it. The number one thing is the smell. It just smells musty in here all the time, no matter what we do. So it's got some really old carpet in it, so I think that's probably the basis of this smell. And it's got some very interesting drywall, and I got to show this to you. It took me a while to figure out what it is, but you've got normal drywall. But see this? It's like each panel of drywall is covered in, individually, covered in like wallpaper of some sort. And then that is glued to the studs. Well, the problem with that, it's popping all over the place. So we got to get rid of that. We got to get rid of the carpet, and just the whole feel of the room is it's just dated. And it's a nice room, and we've done a lot of work to it. We redid the closets, and they came out gorgeous. But we got to take it to the next level. And we're going to do things like this. This is it's a built-in ironing board. I mean, I think it's cool because I like ironing clothes, but that's me. But what we're going to try to do is it's actually surface mounted. We're thinking about keeping it and just recessing it into the wall. And then it's got one of these high-speed data ports, analog data ports down there called a phone jack. And well, we're going to get rid of it. So anyway, that's the plan. And today's goal is to get everything out of the room and then get the carpet out of here. Cut the carpet into strips, roll it up, get it out. So let's get at it. We've got the room pretty much stripped down from all the furniture's out of it. We've pulled all the trim off everything. It's off the windows, it's off everything. Now we're getting down to the carpet, and we're using a Bagster. Now what that is you go to Home Depot, in this case you go to Ace Hardware, and you buy these big bags. I'll show it later. They're 4 feet by 8 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the carpet into 4 foot by 8 foot pieces, a little short, and then stack them up in there, because it's, by the time you buy the bag and have it picked up and everything, you're talking about $200. So we don't want to waste any space. So that's the plan. So when you see us cutting this up, you're like, oh, just cut it in strips and roll it up. We want it nice and flat in there. We want all the weight in the bottom, because we still got to get all this drywall in that Bagster. Alrighty. And there you go. We are done with the demolition portion of this room. And I think I'm going to wrap the video up here and break it into a multi-part, because otherwise it's just going to get too long. There's a little light bear. It glows at night, and it's kind of freaky, but that whole fixture is going away. Alright, so the next video will be probably spray foam insulation. Something I've never done before, but we'll figure it out.